timings, children. So we all know that. So if we go to one country, we will have different time. When it comes to other country, we will be having different time. So we will be having different time zones. So we call it as time zones, children. So throughout the world, children, we will be having 24 time zones. So each time zone is divided in 15 longitudes. So for every 15 longitudes, we will be having one time zone. So in the same way, we will be having totally 24 time zones, children. So if we have total 24 time zones, each one is different, then it will become very difficult for us to compare, children. Then it will become very difficult for us to compare. So that is the reason why we will take one base location. We will take one base location and we will compare time with that location, children. So we will take one base location. With that, we will be comparing it throughout the world. So the same thing has happened, children. So same thing. So they have taken 0 degrees meridian, 0 degrees longitude, which will be passing through Greenwich. Children. That is located in London, England. So Greenwich meridian. It's called Greenwich meridian, children. So that place we have taken as base. So in the whole world, that place, Greenwich meridian's place and timing, that we have taken as standard timing, children. That we have taken as standard timing. So that's the reason why we call that timing as Greenwich meridian time. We call that time as Greenwich meridian time. So that we also represent it using GMT. So that whole world's timing, we will be taking that as base. So all the countries which are ahead of Greenwich timing, so all the countries which are on the eastern side of Greenwich, they will be ahead. And all the countries which are on the western side of Greenwich, they will be delayed. So they will be, eastern side will be ahead and western side will be delayed. So that's the reason why whenever we are talking about the eastern countries or eastern side of Greenwich, we will be using plus GMT. We will be using the symbol plus GMT because eastern side will be ahead. So whenever we are representing the timing of western side countries, then we will be using minus GMT. So if we take the comparison of Greenwich meridian time and our country, then there is a difference of 5.5 hours. How much difference, children? 5.5 hours. So 5.5 hours in the sense, since we are on the eastern side of Greenwich, we are ahead by 5.5 hours. So that's the reason why whenever we are comparing our timing with Greenwich meridian timings, so we will represent plus 5 hours 30 minutes. How do we represent, children? Plus 5 hours and 30 minutes. So we will be ahead by 5 hours and 30 minutes when we compare it to Greenwich meridian timing. So how we have taken Greenwich meridian timing? So in the same way, we will be taking one standard time for our country also. So like we have taken standard time for the whole world, so we will be taking or we will be doing the exact same thing for country also. So same thing if we are doing it for our country. So same thing we have done for our country also, India. So we have taken the longitude which passes through Allahabad. We have taken a longitude which passes through Allahabad and we have taken that as the standard timing. So we have taken that as standard timing. So we call that timing as IST. So Indian Standard Time. So